Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. We have made Punjabi samosas, Mexican samosas. Today we are going to make a new variant, that is paneer cheese samosa. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for paneer cheese samosas are rotis, cheese, paneer, coriander leaves, capsicum, wheat paste, pepper, salt, green chillies. First, take 2 grated cheese cubes, 2 tablespoons paneer, 1.5 tablespoon finely chopped capsicums, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon pepper, half tablespoon green chillies, and salt to taste. Just mix this. Now we will start making the samosas. So for that, take roti. So I have made normal rotis. Just don't apply ghee on it. On that, we will apply the wheat paste. So take 1 tablespoon wheat flour and 1 tablespoon water and just mix it. And these are complete wheat rotis. If you all want, you all can make it either with maida or half maida and half wheat flour. Just place the filling this way. See, the edges are nicely stuck. Again, put some paste here and here, and then join it. Just press on all the sides and see it's properly packed. If not, just apply some paste and pack it. I've done the same thing with the remaining ones. Now we are going to deep fry them. Once it's golden brown, just remove it. Our paneer cheese samosas are ready. Our paneer cheese samosas are ready. I hope you all like this, and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.